Welcome. In this video, we'll continue to explore the limitless potential of Filmora 13. So let us begin with optical flow. Taking a look at your clip and you intend to add a slow motion effect. You click the speed icon above and go to slow to select the options that you intend, or rather, press and hold Ctrl K and drag forward until you are satisfied. Yes, it's cool, but to give the slow motion a professional touch, the Filmora 13 comes with a fantastic feature called the optical flow, which creates an ultra-smooth, high-quality slow motion effect with a professional look. Once you click your video, go to Speed, under AI Frame, select Optical Flow, then apply rendering and wait for it to finish rendering. The rendering may take a while, but it's worth it.
I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
Now you see, it's very smooth with a high-quality slow motion effect. What a fantastic effect. AI Skin Tone Protection. The next new feature I found so effective is the AI Skin Tone Protection, which helps preserve skin tone regardless of the LUTs. Click the video, go to Color, then scroll down to Skin Protection. The AI Skin Tone Protection helps enhance human skin to emphasize its true hue. Now drag to maximum or 100 to see the changes. When you restore back you will see the difference. It enhances and preserves the skin tone integrity. You can also apply keyframes animation as you wish. What a feature to enhance the quality of your video. Filmora 13. Multiple clip editing. On my timeline, I have multiple clips of about 3 stock videos, so multi-clip editing would allow me to edit and add effects simultaneously. So normally, when you highlight all clips, a window is meant to pop up to edit, but to correct that, go to Layout mode. You will notice I am using the classic mode, so change it to default. Afterward, you will see multiple. So go to the timeline to highlight all the clips. Then go to multiple to make adjustments to scale, position, or rotation, and you will notice that the same effect is reflected in all the clips. As you can see, every clips have the same scale and rotation effect. Apart from that, you can also edit the audio and colors, make color corrections, curves, blend mode, change LUTs, and adjust the opacity to enhance smooth, quick, and fast editing. What a feature! Thanks to the Filmora team. So whatever adjustment you make would be added to the multiple selected videos simultaneously or at the same time. What a great feature for quick editing. So thanks for watching, you are awesome. So why not start editing and enjoy the many features of Filmora 13.